Yo, what's good with y'all boys? Welcome to like my first YouTube video. Today we're finna work on this thing. Not really work on it because we don't really got shit to do to it, but we got these wheels I just picked up last night. Ugly as shit. But we're gonna paint them, fix them, the little nicks and shit that they got. So yeah, we're finna paint them, make them look wet, throw them on this thing. This is my 03 G35 sedan. This is my drift build right here. This motherfucker did not look like this. I didn't see a photo of how this shit looked. But yeah, so today we're gonna revive these wheels and throw them on here. Yeah, it's a drift car. And that's a daily right there. So yeah, we're gonna get these sanded down and ready for paint. All right, y'all. These are the supplies you're gonna need to basically revive your wheels that are fucking ugly as shit. So some masking tape, whatever, sandpaper, depending on how messed up your wheels are. Depends on what grit you're gonna buy. And then I go with these cans. I like these a lot, so yeah, we got 2 of them. Hopefully that's enough. But yeah, so we're gonna wash these, get them all cleaned up, and then we're gonna mask them off and get to sanding. All right, y'all. Scuffed up these wheels, and we already hit this one with primer and then 1 coat. Forgot to pick up the camera, but yeah, so we getting down and dirty in them motherfucker. All right, we just finished. We letting them dry now. Then once they're done drying, we'll take off the masking tape and we're gonna throw them on this. But we gotta go get some tires for the back for tomorrow. And yeah, so I'll get back to y'all when we have the wheels on the car. Alright, y'all, this is the finished product. That homies, this shit came out fire though. With the dual caliper back there. Yeah, so this is how they came out. Only took like a few hours on my day. Got a little paint on the wheels. Put them on the tarp and shit, but that's nothing. So we outside tomorrow. We're going to the track. 4 tires in here. Another 2 in here. So yeah, we outside tomorrow, hitting the track. It's been a minute, so I'll record some footage for y'all tomorrow and I'll insert some clips in this video. But yeah, thanks for y'all for watching and shit. Make sure y'all do all that shit down below. Like, comment, subscribe and shit.